your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Now our temperatures are starting to come down a little bit compared to the recent days, but still on the hot side. It's 90 degrees right now in Corpus Christi. That's the 6 o'clock temperature. It will be dropping off later tonight as temperatures drop off into the upper 70s as our winds come down to single digits and then take off again tomorrow morning. As far as the future winds go, you can see how they're about 15 miles an hour now. They drop to about 5 in the morning. So with less wind, we'll see more reasonable overnight lows. Instead of 80 or 81, we'll be down into the mid 70s. At least it's more seasonal. And then tomorrow afternoon, not bad at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. But we have some drier air coming in, and that's reflected by the dew point temperature, which is only 73. That number's been as high as 80 here recently. And so it has come down a bit, and a big change from yesterday. So our heat index, or feel-like temperature, is not going to be as bad tomorrow. Instead of being up around 110 or higher, we should stop at 106. The dust, we have a little bit of it in the region, the Saharan dust, not near as bad as it was a few weeks ago, but there is some around and it'll be with us through the end of the week. Not a big deal. The satellite and radar shows we still have clear but hazy skies, hot temperatures here, low pressure moving away, so the pressure gradient weakens. That's why we're going to get those lighter winds, interaction of low to high, surface high down in the Gulf of Mexico, and that front stalled up to the north around that high pressure system, which is starting to lift to the north. Notice the dry air in our region, though, is parked right over the coastal bend with that dry high and the sinking air. That high is going to lift up to the north, and as it does so, that opens up the tropics. It'll bring in a little bit of mid-level moisture, not enough for any big rains here, but at least it's a start, and it'll hold our temperatures down to more seasonal levels around 93, 94 on average the next 7 days. Here's what it's going to do to us cloud-wise and rain-wise. Few clouds tomorrow, but overall mostly sunny, and then we'll pick up a stray shower or two on Friday. Rainfall amounts, this actually goes past Friday into Friday evening. Where it does rain, it's only going to be a few hundredths of an inch, so not a big deal in the rainfall department. 78 at 7 in the morning, 89 at noon, and 90 hazy, hot, and dry at 5 o'clock tomorrow. Very similar to today, with a high tomorrow of 93. Today's high was 94. We'll range up to 102 inland with 94 in Robstown. And a look at the 7-day forecast has 76, a little better tonight on the low, 93 on the high here tomorrow. Then 92 for Friday with a stray shower into Saturday, and 93. Don't cancel any outdoor plans waiting for that rain. And temperatures hold in the low to mid 90s all the way through the middle of next week. Lee?